What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our M-Performance side skirts here in front of me. And this is for your BMW F32 or 36. And it fits 2014 to 2020 models. And the VZ for this is vz105763 if you want to check it out on the Vicrez website. Now let's go ahead and open this and show you what it looks like. Now, of course, you'll have your two side skirts, but we also do include hardware for install. Now, here's your side skirt. And of course, we already have holes pre-drilled out for you guys. Now, they may not fully be drilled out, so you may have a little bit of plastic left over, and you may just take an X-Acto knife or something to fully scrape out the plastic if you want a cleaner look. But it will be covered with a bolt, so you won't have to really worry about it showing once it's fully installed. And here's what the inside looks like. And for install, we do include hardware, and these are just some screws along with the washers with them, as well as some 3M tape. Now there is a guide here, so you'll just mock it up to underneath your vehicle and then slide it in place, and then just mark your holes or just begin screwing it in place. Now other than that, that's pretty much it for these M-Performance side skirts. If you want to see more videos like this or some of our other products for BMWs, just let us know down in the comments below. Other than that, consider dropping us a like and hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this. Peace.